All right.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Join your hands. Close your eyes, children. Let's say our prayers. Bhavika, join your hands. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come. Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. All right, children, good morning. Open to page number 92 of your maths book. Page number 92 of your maths book, children.
Ma'am, good morning.
Good morning. Page number 92. Yesterday we had finished with the adding with tens. Now today we have to carry on with addition using abacus. We have already done abacus also, children. So it will not be very difficult for you. Let's look at the first sum over there. It says 24 plus 13. Bhavika, have you got it? Page 92.
Ma'am,
Page,
which page?
page number 92. Give me a thumbs up if all of you have opened that page. Okay, fine. So let's continue. The first sum over there, 24 plus 13. So remember I told you we start adding first from the ones house. And in the house of ones you have 4 and 3. We have 4 and 3. So one hand, 4 fingers. Bhavika. One hand, 4 fingers. And the other hand, 3 fingers. Come on, count.
Ma'am,
Yes.
page number?
Page number 92, Sakshi. Page number 92. Okay. So the answer for 4 plus 3. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7. Right there, 7 children. Alright, now we have to add the numbers in the tens house. So, 2 tens plus 1 10. Again, we get 1, 2 and 3. Yes, right there, 3. 3 tens. Right, 3. That becomes 37. Now, look further, children. See how it has been separated into tens and ones. उसको कैसे अलग करके लिखा गया है? See that. 2 tens, 4 ones, plus 1 10, 3 ones. And then your answer comes to 3 tens, 7 ones. Can you see that, children, in the book? Give me a thumbs up. You can see that on page 92. All right. Now we have the abacus there. You can see the abacus. The ones house, you have the beads which are in red color. And they have 7 beads over there. 7 beads. And in the tens house, you have 3 beads. That's showing you 3 tens. Can you see? Give me a thumbs up if yes. All right. Now moving further, come to page 93. Bhavika, page 93. The first sum. The first sum, children. 36 plus 23. First, we will add the numbers in the ones house. So we have 6 and 3. 6 and 3. Let's count. Shanawar, what is the answer? Count and tell me. 6 plus 3. Come on, count on your fingers. Good. Yes, 6. 1, 2, 3.
6, 10.
6, 6, 6 ones and 3 ones makes how much? Yeah, count.
9.
Shiv, you are answering out of turn, though your answer is correct. Children, he's given the right answer. 6 plus 3, 9. So right there, 9 ones. And now, Shiv, you tell me. The tens house, you have 3 tens plus 2 tens. Count and tell me what's going to come there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
5. All right. Very good. Right there, children. 5. Now, we have to break this and write the sum. 3 tens, 6 ones. ऊपर वाली लाइन देखिए. वहां पर हम पहले लिखेंगे 3 10s tens लिखा है. 36 वाली रो में देखिए सीधे 3 tens and then 6 ones. Okay, look at the book, children. Look at the book I am showing you. See on the screen. Here we have. See how we'll break it. 3 tens and then 6 ones. Same way, the next line also we will break and write here. Then the answer that we get, that also we have to break and write here. Can you see? Okay. All right. 3 tens, 6 ones. Then
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Then the next line, 2 tens, 3 ones. And your answer was 59. So 5 tens, 9 ones. Now after you finish writing this, then you have to draw the beads on the abacus. You will draw the beads with your pencil, children. You will draw the beads with your pencil and write the number there. Answer is 59. So remember, how many beads on each? Ones will be 9, tens will be 5. And then you will write 59 over there below. जो ग्रीन वाला बॉक्स है अबेकस के नीचे वहां पर भी लिख लीजिएगा. So that you understand. When you finish the sum, then give me a thumbs up. Sidra is finished. Okay. Manvi is finished. Vikhyat is finished. Very good. Come on. Arjun is also done. Shanawar also done. Satakshi, have you done? Okay. Thumbs up. That means you've done good. So, Myra, you done? What happened? See, the answer, we added the sum. Myra, listen carefully. जब हमने sum add करा, ones के side पहले add करा हमने 6 plus 3, we got the answer 9. Did you write that? Did you write that, Myra? Okay. Then 3 plus 2, 5. Did you write that? Yes? Okay. अब उसके साइड में देखिए tens और ones लिखा हुआ है. Can you see? Have you done that part? Okay, you haven't done. Okay, now listen carefully. जो आपका sum है, look in your book, Myra. जो आपका sum है 36, ऊपर वाला जो लाइन है 36, उस वाली लाइन में straight, उस वाली लाइन में equal to, can you see equal to sign? उसके आगे एक बॉक्स बना है. यस मायरा, उस बॉक्स के सामने लिखा है TENS, tens. Yes, so over there you will write 3. Write over there 3. अब आपके सम में वंस के हाउस में 6 है, सो उस बॉक्स में आप लिखेंगे 6. राइट देयर 6, ONES, उस हाउस में 6. अब नेक्स्ट वाली लाइन पर आ जाएंगे. लुक एट योर सम. The others, carry on with the other sums, children. आगे के सम्स करते जाइए. Myra, write 2 tens. Write in the box 2. Okay, moving further. One's house, you have 3 there. Write there 3. Have you got it?
5.
Myra, have you got it? Now पहले हम ones का हाउस को ऐड करेंगे. Ones के हाउस को ऐड करेंगे. 6 plus 3, your answer comes to 9. And then the 10th house, 3 plus 2, that gives you 5. Got it? Yes? Okay. Then 5 tens, 9 ones equals to 59. वो येलो बर्ड बनी है, उसके पहले एक बॉक्स है, वहां पर 59. Have you written it? Now you draw the beads on the abacus. 5 tens, 9 ones. Myra, 5 tens, 9 ones. Draw the beads, child. Okay, children, I hope you're finished with the other 3 sums. Now I'm going to ask you the answers. Let me see. Arav, the next sum.
Yeah, 59.
4 or 1.
Your
5.
Mic is on. Shift.
5. 5. 1. 55. 57.
Okay.
57.
57. All right. Arav is giving us the answer. That is 57. 1 house, 2 plus 5. Welcome. 2 plus 5, that makes it 7. And the 10th house, 4 plus 1, that makes it 5. Now the breakup. 4 tens, 2 ones, 1 10, 5 ones. The answer, 5 tens, 7 ones. Have you drawn the beads on the abacus, children? Those who have done the sum, have you drawn the beads? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, you've done the beads. That's good. Okay. All right, the next sum. Abdul, the next sum. 33 plus 64. Abdul, the next sum.
33
33
164.
plus 64. Look in your book, Abdul. पहले हम ones का हाउस 9 and 7, 97. All right, very good. And the breakup, children. 3 tens, 3 ones, 6 tens, 4 ones, 9 tens, 7 ones. All right. Sidra, the next one. 51.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sidra, the next sum. 51 plus 22.
73.
73. All right. That's right. And the breakup is 5 tens, 1 1, 2 tens, 2 ones. The answer, 7 tens, 3 ones. Have you drawn the 73? Yes. Have you drawn the beads, children, on the abacus?
Ma'am.
All right, good. Satakshi, any problem? Okay. Now turn the page, children. Come to page number 94. Page number 94. Page number 94, children. Again, you have addition of two-digit numbers there. And it's telling you to add two-digit numbers. We first add the digits in ones column. Then we add the digits in the tens column. Like I told you, पहले हम लोग ones के house को add करते हैं, फिर tens के house को. Now come on, do the sums that are given here. Start doing. You have to add the first sum, 22, 45. The first sum, two fingers in one hand, five fingers in the other hand, and get the answer. Then two fingers in one hand, four in the other, and you get the answer to the tens house. Okay, Arnav, what is the first answer? You solved the sum. Arnav? Yes?
Ma'am, 6.
Ones के house में हमें क्या मिला? 2 plus 5 करके we got 2 plus 5 we got
7.
7. Very good. Then 2 plus 4 we got count. Don't look at mommy. Count on your fingers. Show me.
Ma'am, 6.
6. All right. Very good. Okay. Then moving on to the next sum. Vikhyat, the next sum. 14 plus 11. Vikhyat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give me the answer to this sum, child. 14 plus 11. पहले हम लोग 1 के हाउस को 4 plus 1 काउंट करेंगे. 4 in one hand, 1 finger in the other. पेरेंट्स इसको करने दीजिए प्लीज. Vikhyat, show me 4 fingers in one hand. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And other hand, one more. So how many altogether? Can you see my fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write over there 4 plus 1, 5. Very good. Now tens के house को add करेंगे. Tens के house को 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 के बाद क्या आता है? 2. So 1 plus 1, 2. Very good. Okay, thank you, Vikhyat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Hania, the next sum. Hania, the next sum, child. 64 plus 14. 5 fingers in one hand. पहले ones का house हम लोग add करेंगे. 5 fingers and 4 fingers. Come on, show me. Hania, show me 5 fingers and 4 fingers. Now count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it? Now write there 9. Come on, write over there 9. Ones के house में. Tens के house में 6 and 1. So first show me 6 fingers, Hania. Come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now one more finger you open. Okay. 6 के बाद क्या आता है? 1 add कर दो.
Ma'am, 7.
7. Very good. Right there 7. Okay. The next sum. Satakshi, the next sum. 42 plus 35.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 77.
77. Very good. Moving on to the next sum. Bhavika, you want to ask something?
Ma'am, which page number?
Page number 94, child. Satakshi, please switch off your mic. Okay, the next sum. Sayansh, the next sum. 34 plus 24. Ones के house को पहले add करेंगे. 4 and 4. Show me 4 fingers in one hand, 4 fingers in the other. Sayansh, come on, count.
Ma'am, 5.
पहले 4 ones के house को count करना है. 4 plus 4.
Ma'am, 8.
4 plus 4.
8.
8. Okay, very good. 8. And then 10's house. 3 plus 2.
5.
5. Very good. All right. Okay, the next sum. Anshuman is there? Anshuman? Yes, Anshuman. The next sum. 45 and 53. पहले हम ones के house के numbers add करेंगे. 5 plus 3. One hand 5 fingers, other hand 3 fingers. Come on, show me. 5 fingers count. 8. Very good. And then 4 plus 5, 10's ka house. Count.
9.
9. Very good. That's right. Abban, the next sum. 71 plus 13. Ones के house को पहले add करेंगे.
1, 2, 3.
One hand show me 1 finger and other hand 3 fingers and add. What do you get? Abban, are you there?
Ma'am, what 3?
1 and 3 को add करके क्या आंसर आएगा?
Ma'am, 9.
1 and 3 को add करके I can't see you, Abban. अपना वीडियो ऑन करिए. वीडियो ऑन करिए. Abban, I cannot see you.
Ma'am, 7.
Abban, सेकेंड लाइन में हम थर्ड सम पर है बेटे. One's house में 1 और 3 है तो उसको काउंट करेंगे. We get 4. Right over there 4. And then 10th house you have 7 plus 1. 7 के बाद 1 add कर देंगे तो that becomes 8. Right there 8. Okay children, the next sum.
Ma'am, 84.
All right Abban, 84. Thank you. Next sum. Aiza is there. Aiza, page number 94. The next sum, second line, the last sum. 32 plus 41. पहले ones के house को add करेंगे. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, we get 3 there children, right? 3.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. And then next 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4.
Ma'am, I have done work.
We get 7. Okay, right there 7. Now the next line, put HW. You will do it yourself. Put HW. Those who have not done still, you can complete it. Homework children. Those who've done, very good. Now children, page number 95, put a cross there. Page 95, Bhavika, put a cross on 95. Page 95. 96, put a cross, turn the page.
Ma'am, one question.
Yes.
About side cross कराएंगे क्या?
Yes. Because
Last chapter.
no, only this lesson. Page 97, put a cross. 98, 99.
Ma'am, 96 भी.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. 98, 99, children. And
Ma'am,
100.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Don't.
98 और 99 के पेज को क्रॉस लगाना है.
Yes.
मैम 96 के पेज को क्रॉस लगाना है.
अब मैम की बात आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे सब. पहले अपना माइक ऑफ करिए और मैम की बात को ध्यान से सुनिए. पहले मैम की बात सुनेंगे. भाविका, अपना माइक ऑफ करिए.
मैम वो तो पहले से ही.
पुट योर माइक्स ऑफ.
मैम
कस के बोलो तब मैम सुन पाएंगी.
रोशनी, अपना माइक अपना ऑफ करिए.
हैंड्स ऊपर करो तो मैम.
रोशनी, अपना माइक ऑफ करिए. पहले
क्या
मैम
पूछ
की
रहे हो?
बात
बोलो.
ध्यान से सुनिए.
अच्छा मैम कह रही ऑफ कर दो. ऑफ करो.
Children, page number 94. पेज नंबर 94 तक हमने करा है. सिर्फ वहां तक आपको करना है. उसके बाद के जो पेजेस हैं, जस्ट पुट अ क्रॉस टिल पेज नंबर 101. 101 तक जो पेजेस हैं उसमें आप क्रॉस लगाएंगे. रोशनी, आपने सुन लिया? ओके.
मैम 100 में भी. यस मैम.
यस भाविका.
100 में भी क्रॉस
Yes,
लगाना है.
Bhavika. All right, children. With that, we finish with your maths class. For today.
मैम बाय.
Also with your maths course. Okay.
मैम को भी क्रॉस लगाना है.
Yes.
मैम